Welcome to course number 10, Financial Planning and Goal Setting. In this lecture, we'll discuss how to create a personal financial action plan. This is the capstone of our financial literacy journey, where you bring together knowledge of budgeting, saving, credit, investing, and risk management to create a roadmap for your future. A financial action plan is your step-by-step guide to achieving financial security and independence. Without a plan, it's easy to spend impulsively and lose track of your goals. A clear plan helps you stay focused, motivated, and accountable for your financial decisions. The first step in creating a financial action plan is understanding where you are now. Track your income, expenses, savings, and debt. Be honest about your financial habits. Knowing your starting point helps you set realistic goals and identify areas for improvement. Next, define your financial goals. Short-term goals might include building an emergency fund, paying off a credit card, or saving for a laptop. Long-term goals could involve paying off student loans, buying a home, or saving for retirement. Goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Budgeting is the foundation of financial planning. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to allocate income toward expenses, savings, and debt repayment. A budget ensures your money is working toward your goals, not slipping away without purpose. Include an emergency fund in your plan. Aim for at least $500 to $1,000 to start, and gradually increase it to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund prevents setbacks from unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. If you have debt, make repayment a priority in your plan. Use strategies like the snowball method, paying off smallest balances first, or avalanche method, paying highest interest first. Reducing debt frees up money for saving and investing. Your action plan should include saving for both short-term and long-term goals. Start small if needed, but be consistent. For long-term growth, consider opening a retirement account like a Roth IRA or participating in a 401k. Investing early takes advantage of compound interest. A solid financial plan also protects against risks. Make sure you have appropriate insurance coverage, such as health, auto, renters, or life insurance, to prevent unexpected events from derailing your progress. Your action plan isn't static. Review it regularly and adjust when your circumstances change, such as starting a new job, moving, or graduating. Monitoring your progress helps you stay on track and celebrate milestones. Let's look at Taylor, a student who builds a financial action plan. Taylor tracks expenses, sets a goal to save $1,000, creates a budget, starts paying down credit card debt, and contributes $50 a month to a Roth IRA. By following the plan, Taylor reduces stress and builds confidence about the future. To summarize, a personal financial action plan brings together your knowledge of money management into one roadmap. By assessing your situation, setting goals, budgeting, saving, managing debt, investing, and protecting with insurance, you create a clear path to financial stability and success. Remember, the most important step is to start now and stay consistent. This concludes our course number 10, Financial Planning and Goal Setting. See you at our next course.